Hello everyone, this is Ganesh Gandhi. I am going to take about the mobile application development using Flex. These are the topics I am going to cover in this session. Mobile technology, introduction to the mobile OS, introduction about the Flex SDK 4.5, preparation for the mobile application development, and step-by-step procedure for mobile application development. Finally, we are going to discuss about the packaging the application from the Flex SDK and Flash Builder. Before we are going to moving to discuss about the mobile application development, we must know about the mobile technologies. Why do we need to develop a mobile applications? What is the purpose of mobile application development? There are certain things in the past 4 years. There is a lot of things happening in the mobile technologies. They are improving a lot of things in the mobile technologies. These are the statistics given by the Stack Down Productions in the 2011 May. So in these statistics, they are telling about the mobile technologies, how many things are improved in the mobile technology, how many are gained from the mobile application. 10 billion application download in the last year. So that will be grown up to 76.9 billion application in the 2014. So these are the things why these things are happen. There are a lot of things in the mobile only not for communicating the people. They have a lot of things in the current versions. Have the camera and GPS and GPRS. We can surfing the web in the mobile application in the mobile devices compared to the PC. 1.5 billion peoples are using a smartphone within 2012. So these are the things that we are going to develop. That's why we are going to develop the mobile application to boom up our market and to improve the technologies. So if you are ready to develop the mobile application development, we must concentrate on the mobile OS. What type of application you are going to build? So related to that, you must choose the right OS to develop the mobile application. So see, these are some familiar and famous OS in the mobile applications. iOS, it runs on the iPhone and iPad, and Android runs on range on the Android enabled devices. BlackBerry runs on all BlackBerry devices. Symbian runs on most Nokia devices and the range of other from manufacturers such as Sony Ericsson and Sharp and Motorola itself. Though Windows Phone runs on the Windows Mobile. So why we are discuss about these things? If you are choosing iOS mobile, if you are creating application for the iOS, there are a certain languages like Object-C and Air and Flex. There are a lot of things to develop the mobile applications. So if you choose the right OS to develop the mobile application, you must know about the languages what you want to know, create the mobile applications. So now we are going to discuss about the introduction about the Flex SDK. In the Flex SDK 4.5, there are 21 new component extend from the existing component to develop the mobile applications. They are optimized to the mobile device. They are make it as the component as compact for the mobile application development. And also there are already exist core Spark components that there to develop the mobile application. It is more supported to develop the mobile application, and also there is a dynamic layout. Once you have creating a mobile application, in the mobile application has the accelerometer, you can view your application in portrait and landscape in anywhere. So that layout is automatically dynamically changed to the orientations. So these are the special features enabled in the Flex SDK 4.5 to develop our Flex mobile application very easily. So now we are going to the next topic: preparation for the mobile application development. While you are going to mobile application development, you must prepare certain things before you are developing the mobile application developer. First you choose the OS. Before that, after that, you must select the language, in which language you are going to develop the mobile applications. After that, you select the mobile model. If you are using, if you are creating a mobile application for an iPhone, or if you are creating a mobile application for Android devices, there are lots of Android devices there, like a Samsung. There are a lot of manufacturers there, like LG and Samsung and HTC. So which mobile you are going to develop the mobile application, because there are a lot of UI things are there in the mobile application with the interaction, related to the interactions. The iPhone has don't have the back button, but Android mobile has the back button. So that's related things we must to concentrate on that. So once you have selected the three things, you are install your driver on your PC for detect your mobile, for debugging your mobile applications in the mobile. So, and after that you are install the SDK, Flex SDK and Android SDK. It's freeware, it's downloaded from the internet, and configure the SDK for the development, and choose the right SDK IDE for your development, like Eclipse or a Flash Builder, anything. So now we are in the mode of step-by-step development. So we are going to discuss about the Flex 4.5 SDK. We are already discussed about that. There are a lot of things in the Flex SDK to develop the mobile applications. Um so you can download the Flash Builder 4.5 from this two links, and you can download the Android SDK from this link. Why we need this Android SDK means, if you are developing a mobile application, many of people don't have the mobile in hand. So if you want to debug and you want to test your application as a virtually, the Flex SDK, Android SDK has this emulator to testing your application in system. So you must need these three things to develop your mobile application using Flex. Once you are ready to, you are prepared for everything, then we are discuss about the things. If you are selecting the web application, the application component used for developing the mobile web application. In desktop, Windows application is a component for the container. In mobile, view navigator application is the component for that. So this is the view in the mobile application development. The view navigator are separated as a two part. One is action bar and another one is view content. So action bar is navigate the view between the views, and view content have the content of the mobile applications. Once you have, if you want to add a buttons and details in the action bar, we are concentrate on the three properties, like a navigation content and title content and action content properties to put the thing in the mobile applications. So the next screen shows the clearly. So navigation content, and now I am adding a home button in the navigation content, and the title content I am adding a text box, and the action content I am adding a search button to search the results. If you are going to the mobile application development, there are two things are concentrated. One is view navigator, another one is view. So that is acting like a stack concept. We are pushing the view in a stack, and we pop the view from the stack. So these are the syntax where how to push the view inside the view navigator, and how pop the view from the view navigator. So navigator is a property for of the view component, that is the instance of view navigator. So this view navigator has the this functions to push and pop the screen. Sorry. So while you are going to the views, we have a transition effect. There is a default transition effect. If you need to, if you want to change the transition, we can use these classes for your transitions. This transition are extend from the view transition base class, and this will be handled by the transition events like flex events, transition start and transition end. You can handle this transition things by using these events. So these are the certain things if you are changing the view. So in this transition, there is no modes to change the view. So here is the some code for the transition classes. Okay, fine. If that is possible, we can move from one view to another view. We have a separate transition. Then you don't want to develop to try and put the transition in different ways. If you want to put a common transition for the all views, you can use this syntax for applying the transition effects. In the view navigator has the life cycle removing, deactivate and activate. Once the view is pushed in the stack, the existing view is destroyed from the stack, and it is deactivated. After that, the new view is activated. So in the screen, there is a big things in the life cycle of view navigator and view container that is not possible to show here. So I make it as a simple things, and that will be shown in this screen. If it is destroyed, there is no data in there that will be stored. Once it get back to the, if you are doing the pop view, the screen will get back from the stack and restore the original data from the stack. So prevent that, we can use these two properties to solve this problem. If you are put the destruction policy never, then the view is never destroyed from the stack. Persistent navigator state as true, that will be applied for your whole application. Once the mobile application is get triggered by the other application, like if you have a call when you are using this application, after finishing your call, that will be returned back to the same position in the applications. While you are moving from one view to another view, we are using push and pop method to travel between the views. While traveling from these views, we pass the data between the views by using these parameters. Here I am having my list component in the application. I'm sending the selected item data to the employee view. Once I get the view, then I will do the certain things in the new view. Once you get back from the for example, we have the current screen here, the view A and view B. So we with the help of that thing. Create return object is a method inside the view. We can override this method. We can pass the value back to the new view by the pop view method. So these are the syntax for that. Okay, finally we are going in the final stage of developing our iPhone application export. We need to export the things. We have a certificate and P12 file and profiling file for exporting your mobile applications. By using the support, we can you are export the um, native application installer for that, and you can deploy in the, and you can upload it in the mobile markets. So thank you.